Meet the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a blend of heritage and ultra-modern design. Let's dive into the stunning rebirth of this automotive legend. From first glance, the front of the 2026 Karmann Ghia catches the eye. Retaining the beloved curves of the original model, VW adds futuristic LED halos around the classic round headlights. That signature front grille remains subtle, while chrome accents and classic VW badging remind us of its origins. The body lines? Fluid and aerodynamic, sculpted for nostalgia and performance. Turn to the side and you're greeted with a seamless blend of retro curves and modern styling. The coupe's low stance gives it a sporty silhouette, while flush door handles and minimalist chrome strips pay homage to the original Ghia design. Multi-spoke wheels add an aggressive, performance-ready touch. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a statement piece. And then, the rear. Wide LED taillights shine confidently, splitting the sleek, muscular rear end. Quad exhaust tips beneath hint at serious performance, while the bold Karmann badge above the license plate pays homage to heritage. This is a car that's retro-incarnated in the most elegant way possible. Under the bonnet, although VW hasn't officially confirmed specifications, this modern Ghia is likely to pack a punch. Expect a turbocharged four-cylinder or even an electric variant, which delivers a smooth yet spirited performance. The dual exhaust setup and aggressive rear diffuser suggest this isn't your granddad's Ghia. This is a performance-focused machine wrapped in classic style. Inside, the 2026 Ghia is a love letter to simplicity, wrapped in innovation. The dashboard is bathed in a body-colored gloss green, with analog dials glowing in a warm yellow hue. Chrome switches, touch-sensitive knobs, and a signature VW steering wheel recreate the past with beautiful accuracy. But don't be fooled. Beneath that retro shell lies modern technology, seamlessly integrated for the modern driver. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's emotion on wheels. It bridges eras, connects generations, and proves that style never dies, it evolves. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a modern design aficionado, this Ghia will steal your heart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this blend of past and future, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more iconic reviews like this. Until next time, keep riding in style.